Hi, I'm Louisa from EcoGarden Studios. Today we're here in Halifax seeing our lovely customer Peter, who has recently had a garden building with us. So Peter, how's your experience been with EcoGarden Studios?
Well, you can see the proof of the pudding is in eating, and you can see the garden studio is all set and ready, and I'm so impressed. And thank you from the bottom of my heart to the A team, which is the EcoGarden Studio. And from the start to finish, it has been just one of the loveliest experiences I could describe. And I'm so contented with the final outcome. The state-of-art studio, I cannot recommend these people more, and they'll be my friends for the rest of my life, in the sense that I can get to them anytime for any advice, improvements or whatever, So I thoroughly recommend it from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you very much.
Maybe.
Is it everything that you hoped it'd be? Have you kind of brought your dreams to a reality?
Absolutely, pretty much everything, and it's turned out to be better than what the drawing was on the paper. And the material is all top quality. It's so amazingly well insulated, all well presented, fully painted, and what can I say? Everything what I dreamed of and a bit more. So that's amazing.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure. Pleasure, and I hope we remain in touch for a long, long time.
Definitely. I mean, it'd be nice to come in and see it when it's all kitted out for what you're planning to use it for as well.
Absolutely. I'll be using it definitely for all sorts of activities, outdoor activities, sitting down, a peaceful room, my yoga room, a children's playroom.
Absolutely.
Anything.
That's the beauty of them. They're so versatile and are able to kind of change with day-to-day activities, or going from a children's playroom right through to a games room as they get older. So yeah, thank you so much.
Absolutely. It's incredible, and suggestions by the team for improvement, they're all set in so perfect. Now I realize what they meant.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's incredible. That's all I can think of. And top quality material, and the doors and windows, I've got no complaint at all, and it's so lovely. The flooring, the ceiling, the correct height and the dimensions, and how it sits in, and the foundation was amazingly solid and sound. So really well impressed, Louise.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Oh, pleasure.